out here fishing for smallies, even though we're in a blizzard warning, which is crazy. But you know what? Only the real ones come out during a blizzard warning, right? No, seriously, pray for our safe return. Even though this isn't live, and your prayers probably won't mean anything because we'll either be already home or in the hospital. But you know what? We're gonna try to catch some fish despite the blizzard warning. So here we go. Team live bait. Nice. Team live bait. It's warm. It's always warm. Yep. Nice. Nice. Live bait. Oh, let's go. On. Oh, spat out. Easy release. Easy release. Got him. Thanks, buddy. Right. So tiny. Woo. These are much smaller than the ones you're catching. Yeah. That's how it goes. Crazy ice chunks. I don't know if you guys can see my camera right now because there's just too much snow and water and ice in the camera, but geez, you gotta be careful with these ice chunks, man. They are just, they can knock you over. Let's go. All right, KGB. There's a pike. That's probably what bit before too. Probably what bit before. Yeah, I got 2 bites, but I bet you it's the same guy. Dude, that pike was in the middle of the current. Got one? Yeah, you got one. Let's go, Dink Nation. Yeah, Dinks. Dink Nation. It's crazy that it doesn't melt. Nice. Dude is on fire. On fire with the dinks. Yeah, for real. They don't want the big guys. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Good thing is you can never skunk here. Little guy, same guy, man. What's up? Size got a decent one. I don't know. Probably his little dead minnow. Nice. Not bad. Dead minnow? Huh? Dead minnow? Kind of. Oh. Is that the Z2? In this pocket right here. Oh, yeah. You see it? Yeah. I figured. I knew it. It's a catfish. Catfish? I knew it. little catfish. That was not bad. Dang, he really had it in his, he wasn't coming off. That's crazy. I had a feeling I was gonna get a catfish. Dude, I got this guy good. Okay, get over here. Bro. It looks like a catfish. It's a catfish! Bro! Catfish king, bro! That's my second one in a row. Yeah. The catfish love that jerkbait, man. This spot only. This spot only, bro. This spot, I always catch catfish on jerkbait at this spot. Yep. Oh, you caught Ming? They caught Ming. Got a big one. Yeah. Molly. Yeah. Got him too? Let's go. Ooh. Ooh, we got a decent one, huh? Or your drag just loose? Double up. We'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, basically. Maybe. Oh. You might have got my line. Let's go like this. Yeah. What's up? I know. I'm saving it for over there. It's huge. Nice fish. Oh, easy release. They're right in front, they're right here. Thanks, bud. Whew. So this storm is really picking up. It's supposed to get bad in the afternoon, and it's pretty close to the afternoon. As you can see, I don't know, well, maybe you can see, I don't know if you can see, the snow is low wind. No wind. And I don't know if we'll catch much more fish, but we're getting close to our exit point, and we'll probably end up calling it a day here in a bit. So everyone, don't try this at home, or well, I guess this isn't home, but don't try to fish in a blizzard warning. I wouldn't say that it wasn't worth it. We did catch fish, but we didn't catch anything big, and I haven't caught anything in like 3 weeks, so that was nice. But you know, we still have about a hour drive till we get back home, and we gotta drive through this. So let's just look. Looks like a pike. It is a pike. Pike. I got piked. Just got hit it twice. Dominating this area right here. Jeez, pike. Alright. Grab him because I know he's gonna smell. There you go. Thanks, bud. Ooh, I got a big one. It's probably a catfish. Ooh, it's pulling drag. It's fighting like a catfish or a carp. Ooh, big fish. Oh, no, it's a big pike. Big pike. Oh, broke me off. It's all good. That was a rusty swim bait. So I can't even hear what those guys are saying, even though they're only like 100 feet away from me. But sounds like someone's got a crappie. Oh, this snow's pegging my eye right now, so I can't really see.